Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going back down to Puerto Rico. We've been down here quite a bit recently with the quake swarm that is still ongoing as I do this video. A couple of very large earthquakes have also been in this region. The swarm does seem to be slowing down some, however it's far from gone, still very active. There's also been a daytime fireball over Puerto Rico in the last week, and now we have space debris entering the atmosphere captured on video by our friend Sig from Puerto Rico. The entire event caught on video. We're going to show that here in just a moment. I've got a new sky phenomena picture slideshow to share with you guys. I'm working on many more. Also have a very unique video sent in to Twitter of a white double halo around the sun. We're going to take a look at here in just a moment. But first we're going to get to this space debris that was captured by Sig on video over Puerto Rico. Here's the event from space, entire video. Check this out, January 21st, right at evening time. The sun wasn't quite down yet, and here comes this huge patch of debris falling from space through the atmosphere over Puerto Rico. I'm assuming this is some sort of space debris, and so did Sig. It could be a meteor breaking up into small meteorites. That's always a possibility, but it kind of looks like space debris. Every once in a while you'll see a color of green and red mixed in with the debris field as it goes over Puerto Rico, and that was about the extent of the visual as it went behind the clouds there out over the ocean. Here's an enhanced version of the video. I zoomed in just a little bit for a closer look of the debris, and there was quite a bit. Fairly large debris field. Look at all that. Just an incredible video sent in by Sig from Puerto Rico. They've had daytime meteors here recently, just less than a week ago, and then the ongoing quake swarm's been very active down around Puerto Rico. So great video once again sent in by our friend Sig from Puerto Rico. Space debris re-entry event. Great job, Sig. Thank you for sharing. Now we're going to get this double halo. This was sent in to Twitter, and it's a very profound halo off to the right hand side of the sun. Look at that. Just incredible. I don't think I've ever seen one quite that intense. That is very intense, and you can see what looks like a vertical rainbow colored feature off to the left, a very intense white ring off to the right of center of the sun. Almost looks like a secondary light source, because you've got the halo around the sun, which we see those quite frequently. But the white ring off to the right, you don't see that very often. It's almost like I said, to me, it looks like a double light source up there. You've got all kinds of activity going on, counting the white halo, the big halo around the sun itself, and then the vertical rainbow-like feature off to the left. Right there, you can see it. See it back there? So a lot going on in that sky right there. Very rare. You don't see that very often. I'm a sky watcher. Somebody asked the other day if I'd ever taken pictures of the sky. If you only knew how many pictures I've taken of the sky, it's in the thousands. I'm a very avid sky watcher, but I've never seen anything quite that intense. So thanks for sharing, guys. I greatly appreciate that. While we're here, real quick, don't forget to check your subscribe button. If you're a subscriber, make sure you're still subscribed. Make sure the bell is still activated so you'll get notifications. If you're a new viewer and you haven't subscribed, by all means do so. Click the red subscribe button and click the bell to make sure you'll get notifications whenever we upload a new video. Here's a new sky phenomena picture slideshow I put together, and like I said, I'm working on many more. Sebastian Inlet, Florida, Koi, beautiful orange and yellow sunrise. Been seeing a lot of those lately. This photo here is quite interesting. Look at the viewer down here looking up at the sky with curiosity, as there's one lonesome cloud up in the sky that looks like some sort of a ship floating up there. Look at that. This is out of La Quinta, California, sent in by Rosario. Got 3 different photos. This is one of 3. Here's 2 of 3. We go in a little closer. Look at that. Looks like it was handmade. And here's 3 of 3 up close. Great photograph. Thanks for sharing. Keep them coming. You guys are wide awake and on the ball. Buford, Georgia. Greg, impressive sunrise here coming up over the lake. Wind Talker out of the New York mountains was observing the full moon over here and noticed this orange cloud off to the left behind the trees all by itself up in the mountains of New York. Cincinnati, Angela. Got a very busy sky here and a sundog way down here at the bottom. Rockland County, New York. And notice this spectacular rainbow from inside of a building. And other people were very intrigued by this rainbow as well. They all went over to the window and started filming this big, spectacular double rainbow. Look at that thing. That thing was the center of attention there for a moment. Incredible. Dan M. from Brisbane, Australia. Apocalyptic looking sky there. Also from Brisbane, Dan, some mammatus clouds that look so low, almost like you could reach up and touch them. Here's a low double rainbow, also from Australia. And here we've got a beautiful sunrise. Looks like something out of a movie. Absolutely beautiful. Low riding clouds here that almost look like they're touching the tops of those homes. Once again from Australia. Histra 1111, that's that double halo around the sun. Lake Mead, Chuck S, beautiful sunrise reflecting off of Lake Mead. Long Beach, New York, Drusilla M, yet another very tall double rainbow. Got a strange cloud here. This was sent in by KEESONG C, and the reason it's unusual is there's no city back over here. You've got this linear yellow glowing cloud off in the darkness that's apparently glowing for no reason. Oliver out of South Africa. Unusual cloud configuration. Yet another double-decker rainbow out of New South Wales, Australia, sent in by Scott B. Cloud blanket sent in by Chris H. He's underneath what looks like a very thick blanket of clouds, but if you look off in the distance like he's showing us, you can see a perfectly blue sky way over here in the opposite direction. And he managed to get a screenshot of this on radar from his location. And we've been seeing this lately. I call it kind of like a sky wave. And there's a very sharp contrast between the blue sky and the thick white clouds that cover the sky. And there it is on radar. Look at that. Great observation. Well done. And here's yet another series of rainbows around the sun sent in by Evelyn from North Dakota. Look at that. I mean, that's just absolutely beautiful. The skies are really putting on a show for those of you and myself that are awake, that are outside taking all of this in. Debris coming in over Puerto Rico, daytime fireballs over Puerto Rico, double halos around the sun, spectacular clouds. Here's where the white halo was sent in to the Twitter page. If you guys have photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. All of the photos end up here at the Sky Phenomena Photo Gallery at the website. That's loaded with good content, by the way. Don't forget to check out all the content we offer here at the website. We watch the sun, the moon, and of course the earth, the seismographs, earthquakes, lightning, Schumann resonance. Matter of fact, we'll take a look at it right now. It's pretty calm at the moment, but you can see there's been a little bit of activity once again in the Schumann resonance. And if you watch all of these things here at the website, the sun, the moon phase, you can kind of connect some dots every once in a while with different things going on with regard to space and the sun and different things. Yellowstone, we monitor the supervolcano. We follow power outages there. We've got a power outage map. Just all kinds of what I consider good information. So don't forget to check out the website. And like I said, all of the photos that you guys send in go to the Sky Phenomena Photo Gallery. And sometimes I use the photos in a picture slideshow, just like you saw right here. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.